Hi everyone, New England Gardening here. Today's Monday, November 30th, and I'm getting ready for a storm to come through. 50-mile-an-hour gusts, might have some power outages, but I guess we're still in a drought situation. So we're getting some much needed rain, and around 2 o'clock, I think it's about 1 o'clock, 1:30 right now, it's going to start really pouring out, and we expect to get, well, the forecast is anywhere from like 2 to 3 inches of rain. So much needed rain. And I ended up starting to root prune for the first time some of my fig trees, and in the process trying to get rid of some, weeding them down to fewer and fewer. This here was, or it still is, a 10-year-old Aishia Black. There's the top of it, and I've pruned it so it fits into a 6 by 6 by 36 inch box. Getting ready to get rid of that. It's a 10-year-old tree. Started from a cutting in 2010. But let me open up my umbrella here so I don't get the camera wet. Okay. So yeah, I've got the saw out here, and let's see. As you can see, the greenhouse is still down. We're getting ready to put a shed in. But those are the pots, the largest pots that I've had. That's a Encanto Farm Black Madeira. It's about a 8 or 10-year-old tree. Let's see what it is here. 2010. So 10-year-old tree. And I just reduced or root pruned the other one that I have right here, and put it in a bucket, which makes it real manageable. So I ended up finding that the soil was pretty dry. I had it in the cellar, even though I watered it. I brought them out again and had some showers, but not enough to really soak these, so I'm going to keep them out. But the thing is, with the high winds, even though it's feels like it's in the 50s right now, the southeast or southwest wind coming in, it's supposed to get down to 33. So with the cold temperatures and the wind, you might lose the tips of the buds here. So root pruning, I could take about 50 pounds off of these, and makes it a lot easier to move them for now into the cellar. And since we still have the daytime temperatures pretty warm out, I can bring them out again so they don't come out of dormancy. These here, I got a little quandary about what to do with these. These are the cuttings that I started, old cuttings, did videos on, last cuttings that I started, but I lost track of what's what. So I think I just might list these on eBay as just a fig. This may be like a 2% chance. There's 1 or 2 Aishia Blacks in there, but I don't know which one. I know that one of the brown pots has an Aishia Black. I can't remember if there's 1 or 2. And the ones in the black pots, I think, might have had 1. But yeah, I had the labels, and I didn't keep track of, I didn't put the metal labels on and forgot about them. And so I'll probably list these for like, I don't know, $14.95 or something like that. And I get them in those triangular tubes, and I will ship them bare root, so I'll shake off all the soil. So you can get multiple in the tube. And you can see, like this one here is probably, oh, what did I didn't mention that. They're either 99% of these are UC Davis Black Madeira. And you can see the bell shape there. I would venture to think that might be a Black Madeira. But yeah. So maybe just one listing where you have multiple. I don't think I've done that before. So you can purchase a number of them and see how many I can get in one of those triangular tubes. But yeah, this is the last one. I had one of those square white pots too. With the, oh, it's this one right here. I keep on forgetting the name of it. Maltese Beauty. GM 155. But, yeah. This morning my back is really killing me. I think I got one vertebrae is like disintegrating or something. It's making it difficult to lug these around. I think I need to move on from my fig growing days. Just have to do it slowly. So yeah, probably be listing the Acacia Black and cuttings. See if I can get them listed today. But one last thing I need to do is to root prune this Encanto Farms Black Madeira and get it into a white bucket too. So this is New England gardening, getting ready for some serious rain and wind. I noticed the vents on the greenhouse were flapping at a couple of gusts, but I think the greenhouse survived some 50-mile-an-hour gusts we had already this year, so hopefully it won't get destroyed. So this is New England gardening. Today is Monday, Cyber Monday, November 30th, 2020. Thanks for watching.